Good afternoon, everyone. Thought I'd do a quick video on how to change a taillight bulb on a 4th generation Dodge Ram pickup. These were made from 2009 all the way till current in some of the classic models. This is going to be for a standard taillight with the incandescent bulb. The LED taillights on some of the upper models will be different as they don't have a changeable bulb. They're all built in. Anyway, what you're going to need for this is a T25 Torx bit, and you can use a screwdriver Torx or a Torx socket or anything like that. I have a set of plastic pry tools here. Sometimes the clips that hold the tail light in can be a little tricky, and you can use one of these to pop out the tail light without causing any damage, but most of the time you can do it without these tools. So just a T25 is all you really need to get this done. Alright, the first thing you're going to have to do is remove your taillight assembly, and to do that you're going to drop the tailgate, and then there's going to be 2 screws. There's one right here, one right here, and again this is where you're going to use that T25 Torx. And just unscrew those. Alright, once you get the 2 screws out, there's 2 clips right here and right here on the tail light, and what you're going to want to do is pull the tail light back towards you, and you'll hear it kind of click. It sounds like they're breaking, but they usually don't. It'll pop out just like that. You can kind of pull it out a little bit. First wire you're going to want to do, there's the plug on the top bulb, and it's got a little red lock on it. You want to slide that lock back. That'll unlock it so you can squeeze this tab, and your plug will come right out. Next thing is you're going to want to unplug the reverse light. Again, there's no lock on this one, but you squeeze it and kind of wiggle it, and it will pull out. And then you have your tail light assembly. Alright, once you got your light out, it's a good idea to throw a towel there on the tailgate so you don't scratch up your lens. And the easiest thing is to just lay it down like this. And then the bulb we're going to be changing is the stop turn tail light, but the reverse light is the same way. And basically you just grab the housing on the bulb and twist it counterclockwise, and it'll kind of click, and it'll come right out. Then you take your bulb, just wiggle it, pops right out. Grab your new bulb. It's a 3157 bulb, and you're going to just line it up and pops right in. Then you put it back in reverse order. You kind of turn it. There's only one way these can go in, so you just kind of get it to where it drops in, and then turn it clockwise until it pops into place. Lastly, you're going to want to reinstall your tail light, and to do this you do the exact reverse order. It's easiest to plug the bottom plug in, the reverse light, first. It's got a little bit longer wire. So you just basically do that, and you want to give it a good squeeze so you hear a click, and that's when you know it locks into place. And the upper one, you basically just do it like this. You line up the tab, and this one is a little harder, so you got to squeeze it a little bit so it locks into place. And then the red tab, you push it back where it was when you begun. Last thing is you got to line up the clips on the side. They're going to be right here and right here. Once you line those up, you can simply get behind the taillight and push it till it clicks, and then replace your 2 screws on the inside here and here, and your taillight is installed. Last thing you want to do is just turn your turn signal on with the ignition key on and check the operation. We should be good to go. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I'll provide some more content of how-tos and all kinds of general automotive information.